How to use portrait mode in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select a photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the blur option to soften the background and highlight the subject. Adjust the blur intensity until the background looks natural and balanced. Next, you can tap on Enhancer or AI Repair to improve facial detail, lighting, and clarity of the subject. You can also use Adjust to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and sharpness for a more polished portrait look. Combining blur with these tools helps create a portrait style effect even without a dedicated portrait mode. Using these features together allows you to create clean, professional portrait photos suitable for social media, profile pictures, and creative edits. After finishing, save your photo in high quality. Now you know how to use portrait mode in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips.